Current program. Temperature setting. Time remaining. Current temperature. Click on the Program button. Select the Program Editor. There are 3 preset programs here. Cleaning procedures in accordance with Article 40. Add blank program. Blank state display. Click on the number. Pop-up keyboard. Enter the required numerical value. All inputs completed. Click Save. Click OK to confirm. View the program we have set up. Return to the home page. Click on the Program button. Select the first button. Click on the number. Enter custom program number. This procedure completes the editing of a program. It is a fast sintering program of Apsara's functional series. This sintering furnace has a total of 40 programs. Input 41 does not exist.